So this is the first Whelen siren I saw this day. And it's the first Whelen siren I've ever seen. So yep, I've wanted to go to one of these for a long time, and whoop, there I am. Again, this is the first Whelen siren. Later there was a second. So yep. This is a Whelen siren. I'm not even sure how these things work. Oh yeah, and you can see the giant fin. All I see is a flat thing, and not sure if it's a speaker. Oh yeah, there's the electrical thingy. Not sure what you call it. There's a control box. 1002 it says. You can see the 4 giant horns. Well, not in this clip. Yeah, we're in a forest. We're by a forest, actually. I forget which place this is, but yeah. There's a siren. Speed limit 20. I thought it was interesting that I've never seen antennas that stretch out so far. Never seen that before. But yep. The next minute will be just silence me showing the siren. Wood's pretty hard, by the way. Also, by the way, this is not a test video. This siren is not testing. Alright. So, yep. This is the second siren. I'll show you a little bit of it later. Anyways, I'll show you it in quiet a little bit. This is the same one, or in a different place, but the same one still. Anyways, see you guys. Not see you guys. I'll set up the camera, okay? Anyways, I'm just setting it up here so you can kind of just get a little view of the siren. Well, I guess I just talk about, how I don't know how it works. Anyways, I have no idea how this works. All I see is just like a little line thingy on the back, and I guess it's like a speaker, and then 4 horns that lead into a bigger rectangular horn. Not sure, but yeah. It's a cool siren anyways. Also, I'll have some pictures of the first siren. So yeah.